Are workers' compensation awards taxable? Good afternoon, folks. My name is Jim Aspel. I'm a board-certified workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut. And that's a question we get often asked in our workers' compensation practice. The short answer is no. Workers' compensation awards are not taxable. If you're out and you're collecting workers' compensation, whether you're either totally disabled or partially disabled and you're collecting a weekly benefits check, that check is not taxable income to you. You will not receive a 1099 form, and you do not have to report that on any kind of tax form, be it state or federal. The rationale behind that is that when you're receiving workers' compensation checks, the amount that you're receiving is not equivalent to 100% of your pay. Typically speaking, in Connecticut, the amount that you're receiving on a weekly basis is 60% of your pay. That's a ballpark number. The reason for that basically reflects the fact that it is a tax-free payment. Were you collecting 100% wage replacement, then the tax situation might be different. But in Connecticut and in every other jurisdiction, as far as I am aware, workers' compensation weekly indemnity checks are not taxable. Likewise, any kind of lump sum workers' compensation settlement payment is not going to be taxable income to you. So, for example, if you settle your workers' compensation case for $100,000, typically your attorney is going to get a 20% attorney's fee, so the net to you is going to be $80,000. Your attorney is going to cut you a check for $80,000. At the end of the year, you are not going to receive a 1099 form from either the insurance company or the attorney, because that $80,000 check that you received for your net settlement payment is not tax-free. That's one of the reasons why workers' compensation settlements the number is lower than you might think it would otherwise be, but you have to take into consideration the fact that that payment is tax exempt. So therefore, there is a savings to you built into that amount that you're ultimately receiving. If you have any other questions about that, feel free to give us a call. We're in Farmington. You can call anytime, 860-523-8783. You can email us at jfaspel@aspellaw.com. You can visit our website at www.aspellaw.com. We do have a Facebook group, Ask a Connecticut Workers' Compensation Attorney. You're welcome to invite to join that group. You can ask questions there, and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. Hope that answers your question. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. I would invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do provide topics on Connecticut workers' compensation topics fairly regularly, so we hope that we found this helpful. Please enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. Thanks.